Today I wanted to talk to you guys about this new weight loss journey that I'm going to be starting and documenting on this channel for you. I am really excited about it. So just a bit of background. If you've been following me for a while, you know last year I went through a really stressful period in my life and I was dealing with body dysmorphia really badly, just very negative self-image, and I was going through periods of like binging and stress eating and just feeling like really bad about myself. I gave myself a year to focus on self-love and to focus on things other than my body image and what I look like on the outside, and to truly have compassion for myself just for being myself, not for looking a certain way or weighing a certain amount or anything on the outside. Really just being with myself and loving myself and truly understanding what that means for the first time in my life. So over this time period, I had gained about 20 pounds, and I am still at that weight right now. I actually weigh 141 pounds today, which is totally fine with me. I probably would never have thought that I would say that, because I used to be really ashamed of the fact that I gained weight. And I mean, it happened over like just many different things. Stress, dealing with a lot of just shit in my life, having gone through being so hard on myself and really detaching from like this image that I thought that I had to hold for social media, for people online, all this kind of stuff. So, you know, during that time I was like eating junk food. I just didn't really care about losing weight, and not like I was eating like tons of junk food. It was just more that I was eating like higher fat. So over the last like year, I've just been kind of eating whole plant foods and eating a little bit higher fat, so probably like 30% fat, and it's just had me maintain that weight gain. And I'm finally at a place where I feel like I can move forward and lose this weight so that I can feel comfortable in my body again. Not that I'm coming from this from an aspect of like I don't like myself the way that I look. Like I would be fine looking like this for the rest of my life. I don't think that I look bad. I don't think that I'm going to be happier when I look different. I just think that I know how I felt when I was lighter, when I was 118 to like 120 pounds. I feel like that was really ideal for me. I felt super comfortable in my skin. All my clothes fit. Like that's probably the biggest thing, is a lot of my clothes don't fit me, and I just kind of feel uncomfortable. And I've been eating, like I said, just not unhealthy, but a lot more fat and a lot more foods that don't really make me feel my best. So I kind of just wanted to talk today about how I'm going to be doing this and just documenting it on my channel, because I'm really excited to do this. And before, I was thinking like, oh, I shouldn't, talk about the fact that I've gained weight, or that like I even want to lose weight. I was thinking like, oh, I'll just do this on my own and not document it. But I think it's good to document it. I think it's good to show you guys like it's okay if you gain weight, and you can always lose it again, and you can love yourself through that whole process and not be defined by a number on the scale. And it's fine. Like you can love yourself 20 pounds heavier, you can love yourself 20 pounds lighter. It doesn't really matter. And to me, I used to think about the fact that I had a weight problem and that I wasn't like one of these naturally skinny girls as like this huge detriment to my life. Like I hated the fact that why wasn't I as lucky as all these other girls who were just like naturally fit and naturally thin. And now I think of it totally opposite. I think of my weight problems as a huge blessing. The fact that I was 190 pounds, like if I would have been a naturally thin girl and been doing all the stuff that I was doing when I weighed that much, and I was binge drinking and smoking cigarettes and just doing all these like very destructive things to my body, putting tons of just processed foods and animal products and destroying my health. Like I think of my struggle with my weight when I was heavier as a true blessing now, because I never would have gone vegan. I never would have helped so many people. I never would have gotten healthy, quit drinking, quit smoking, like I would still be the same girl. I would just be thin, and thin doesn't mean healthy. So I think of my struggle that I've had with my weight as this true blessing, because it's given me so much health. It's enabled me to help so many people. So I just think sharing this journey with you guys is going to be great. And I just kind of quickly want to talk about how I'm going to be doing this. So I'm just going to be going back to eating low fat. So for the last year, I've probably been eating like 30+% fat in a day, which isn't bad. It's just not ideal if I want to maintain a lower body weight. So I'm going to be going back to eating 10 to 15% fat, SOS free, basically like exactly how I have everything in my lean and clean guide, which is what got me to my lowest weight and fittest body before. But now I feel like I have so much more muscle that if I did actually get back down to 118 pounds, I would look so different. Because before I was actually kind of skinny fat because I wasn't working on my fitness. I really didn't have any muscle. I wasn't doing any exercise. And yeah, I'm also going to be tracking my calories, not so much in a way of like, oh, I have to have 1,000 calorie deficit every day because I want to lose like X amount of weight per week. It's more to just show you guys that you can eat like 1,800 calories a day like I put in all my meal plan videos and still lose weight. So for me, I have a Fitbit, which is really handy because it shows me how many calories I burn every day. And I'm going to be creating a small deficit, so 250 to 500 calories a day, just because I don't want this to take me a year. So when I lost weight the first time, it took me 6 months to lose 40 pounds, the first 40 pounds. It took me another 6 months to lose 15 pounds. And then it took me a year to lose the last 15 pounds because I didn't want a calorie count. I didn't want to like stress myself out and do anything in an unhealthy way. And I really thought that calorie counting was super, super unhealthy at that point. Now I don't think that. I think it is what it is. And I actually find that when I create like a 500 calorie deficit, I actually lose like double the amount of weight that Fitbit says that I should be losing, just because I think the thermic effect of food, when you're eating whole plant foods and you're eating really low fat, it creates a different, I just think it makes weight loss faster, personally. Like if I eat higher fat and I count my calories, I basically, like most of the time I won't even lose weight. So I guess it just really depends on your body type and what works for you. Obviously eating high carb, low fat works for me. And yeah, I'm just going to be creating a small deficit, keeping my my fat percentage between 10 and 15% a day. And then I'm going to be doing some like just training to build my fitness. So for me, that's running. So I'm trying to get my 5K time down really low so that I have a really good 5K time. So for me, my like really hardcore workouts are going to be interval training on the treadmill. And then I'll be doing like just some body weight exercises and yoga every day like I always do. Just a very relaxed, like this is going to be a very relaxed weight loss journey. I don't have a super definite goal in mind. I don't know if I really want to get back down to 118 pounds. Like I'll just kind of see how I look and how I feel and how my clothes fit as I go. But I'm guessing that I'll probably end up losing about 15 pounds. So between 120 and 125 is probably where I'll end up. And I think that because of the amount of muscle that I've built up, I'll look pretty good at that point. It's just more about getting rid of some of the fat that's on top of the muscle that I have built. Yeah, like I said, this is going to be really chill. I can show you guys my calorie and macro breakdowns and also my Fitbit expenditure when I do my what I eat in a day for weight loss videos. And I'll just, give you guys updates. So probably, maybe I could do a weigh-in every week if that's what you want to see. I don't really have any destructive mindset around weighing myself every week. And yeah, like I said, it's just going to be super chill. I'm just going to be eating healthy whole plant foods, just low in fat, basically like I've been eating for the last 4 years, but just being very conscious of the amount of fat that I'm eating, because I do find it very difficult to lose weight if I'm eating like more than 15% fat. But also, on the other hand, if I eat super low fat, I just find myself ravenous. So it's just a good balance that I found myself having having to lose weight and do all of that. So I'm really excited to have you guys on this journey with me, because it is a little bit different when you lose like the last 15 pounds. It takes a little bit more dedication, I've found, just because, you know, your body, I feel like everyone who eats a whole, wow. I feel like everybody who eats a whole foods plant-based diet, low in fat, will naturally get to their healthy BMI. And my BMI right now is like 22.8, I think. So it's still very healthy. Like, I'm not overweight. I don't have any health problems. I feel really good every single day. So I feel like the body is in kind of a desperate state when you're overweight and when you're trying to get to a normal weight. But once you get to a normal BMI and you just want to look like really good in a bikini, or really toned, or have that, you know, just that body that you kind of dream of, it's a little bit harder. So yeah, I'm excited to share this part of my journey with you guys, just because I never really documented like losing the last 15 pounds, because it took me so long and I wasn't really super focused on it. But I'm hoping that this happens in like 4 months. I'm guessing that I could lose 15 pounds in 4 months. I mean, that's a pretty good rate of weight loss. So let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. I'm probably going to be doing a lot of vlogging in the next few months, just to kind of show you guys how I'm approaching this in a very healthy mindset. This is what I look like right now. Like I said, I don't think that I look bad or anything like that. I just want to be a leaner. That is my video for today. I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you have a great week. And if you're on your weight loss journey, or you've been trying to lose like the last 15, 20 pounds, let me know in the comments box below. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.